Hey guys, I'm Jameson. Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today on this part of our cabinet series, we're going to be discussing why Susan is so damn lazy. Okay, so you'll notice that I just drilled all the pocket holes in the top, the bottom, and the two back sides. We're gonna start first by joining the top to the back side, to one of the back sides. So the pocket holes on the top will be facing the top of the cabinet, which this is, and then the pocket holes on the back side will be underneath, which will be the back of the cabinet, and they'll be facing into the side. So, just go ahead, position this right here, and flush with the front edge, and our side panel will be over here. So as I said before, the back corner of this cabinet is going to be basically cut off at a 45, and that is so that the cabinet can fit into the corner of a room without the corner being perfectly 90 degrees. So the problem is that now we have a void in our cabinet that we need to fill. So I'm going to go ahead and rip down a 9-inch board and miter the rip cuts at 45 degrees so that it fits right into that pocket back there. And then I'm going to nail it in with 1 1/4 inch brad nails. Issue that we're having is that this Lazy Susan is 36 inches wide and we don't have an opening to get it into the house. So I think we're gonna have to disassemble it. I don't see any other way. Alright, so the Lazy Susan, it turned out great. We're happy with it. A couple of things to note is that this Lazy Susan will not fit through my front door or any door for that matter. So we had to take it apart and rebuild it inside the house. If you're building it in the shop, please consider that and consider the dimensions of the doors that you've got to go through to get this inside. As another note, if you want some more details on, for instance, like how we sprayed the doors, how we installed the hardware, the hinges, other cabinets, end panels, and so on and so forth, I'm going to be linking up to all of those directly below. This is part of a much bigger cabinet series, and there's a lot of info there for you guys to see. As always, until next time, be safe and happy building.